Hello there.
Hiya.
Can I have the new spicy salad, please?
Spicy salad?
Yes, please.
Yeah, that's fine. Choose the bread for me.
Can I have the Italian bread, please?
That's for 259, yeah?
Yep.
So you want turkey and ham in there?
Yes, please.
Do you like cheese and toasted?
Yes.
Want to make it spicy?
Yes.
What salads do you want?
Cucumber maybe?
Everything?
Cucumber. Yes.
Cucumber?
Yes, and
And
salad.
some spicy jalapenos?
Yeah.
Okay. And what sauce you like this?
Any.
Anyone?
Yes.
You want to make it real spicy or mild spicy?
Light spicy, please.
That's all for you, yeah?
Yep.
You want anything with that? Meal deal or anything else for you? No?
That's it.
Just the sandwich, yeah?
Yes, thank you.
259.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
The new Subway. Deep fresh, spicy salad.